ready to transform your online vision into a stunning reality. Let's dive into the world of WordPress, the ultimate tool for building your website or blog. First, you'll need a place to host your WordPress website. Think of this as your website's home on the internet. Most hosting providers offer a one-click WordPress installation, making this step incredibly simple. Once installed, you'll be greeted by the WordPress Dashboard. This is your command center on the left. You'll find your main navigation menu, giving you access to all of WordPress's powerful features. Let's start with posts. This is where you'll create blog articles or news updates. Click on Posts. Then add new. You'll see a familiar text editor where you can write, add images, and even videos. Next up, Pages. Pages are for static content like your About Us, Contact, or Services pages. Go to Pages. Then add new. The editor is very similar to the Posts editor. Now, let's make your site look amazing with Appearance. This is where you control the visual design. Click on Appearance. Then Themes. You can browse thousands of free and premium themes to find one that fits your style. Once you've chosen a theme, click Activate. Most themes offer customization options. Go to Appearance, then Customize, and you'll find settings to change colors, fonts, and even your site's logo. And that's your foundational guide to using WordPress. Start creating, customize your design, and let your online presence shine.